show you how to make these adorable beaded snowmen, a fun and festive craft perfect for Christmas. They make great decorations, gifts, or even cute little keepsakes. I'll walk you through each step so it's easy to follow along, and if you'd like to make your own, I've put together complete kits with everything you'll need, which you can grab from my shop. So get your beads ready and let's start creating some snowmen magic. So you'll receive a piece of 14-inch jute. Now the easiest way I found for me, you can thread it through, but you would need to get a lighter and burn the ends because they do fray, because with jute they do fray. Now I'm using a large eye needle, but I appreciate not everyone will have a large eye needle, so I will show you something else you can do. But for now, let's get these ready. So this is the hat, face, buttons, and that's just a plain one. Now do bear in mind, because of the size of these, I cannot send them as a large letter. They've got to go small parcel. So it's great if you do have other things to purchase. I'm sure you will if you look on my website, there's all sorts. So we now have to make the snowman. Let's put him there. So we can start at the top or the bottom. I'm just going to start at the bottom. Next we do the button body. Then we add the smiley face, the brim of the hat, and then the top of the hat. So it looks like that. So just bring those down, and then we're going to thread back down through again. Can I get through all of them? No, I couldn't. I remember before I couldn't get through all of them. So pull that through. There we go. Right, let me just pull that through a bit. Now I'm just going to attach a bead clip. When I first did this, they all fell off. So I've learnt my lesson. Now, if you haven't got a large eye needle like me, if you take, I've got an old piece of elastic here, you can use a piece of cotton, piece of string, and all you have to do, thread up through the bottom bead, as you can see, I've just passed it through that bottom bead and up. I'm going to take this bit of jute, so it hooks it up, so it's actually hooking it up, pass this back down through, so I've got both ends back through, and then if I pull, it will take that piece through, just pull it through. There we are. That's if you haven't got a needle. Then we just have to make everything level. Something I forgot, a very important part, make sure you tie a knot at the top of the hat to stop the beads from falling off. Very important part. So I'm going to go for a 2-inch top. Again, take my bead clip and I'm just going to pop it on. But what you can do is just do a simple overhand knot and another one, all together, and then snip those off. There we go, snip those off. And there's that one. Oh, where's his belly? Let's get his buttons. There we go. There we go. Now what you can do, if you also want to check out the website, at the bottom of these, as I'll show you, you can add ribbon, and then you can dangle things. You can make this really long. You can add tassels to the bottom. You can really make it your own. and you see how easy they are to make. If you didn't want to use the jute, you can use ribbon. You can just replace it with ribbon. So I hope you like that fun little tutorial. At the moment, I've probably got enough for about 15 snowmen at the moment. Well, 13 because I've made 2. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Is that something you would make to give you ideas for yourself to do? You can purchase different beads. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Lots of you are watching and not subscribing to my channel, and you're missing out. I've got lots of tutorials available. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.